Members of Parliament, governors, cabinet
you for your word that assures us plans to give us hope and a future. Oh God, we know all the thoughts of truth and peace. Grant us the ability to live peacefully and for the grace to be faithful leaders in our nation. In terms of government, the clarity to see your truth.
A signpost hanging outside a church. President of the Republic of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, the Deputy President.
Dignitaries, Prime Cabinet Secretary.
I would like to welcome you all to this year's National Prayer. That the discussion which was going on adjacent to him, taking your time to join us. Now, you know, I checked the answer. I found some quote by the great evangelist.
Of this event, the members of my feminist friends will ask why men must always come together without blessing and a life without prayer. Each one of us, including our great
success. Your Excellency, that gave birth to what we, I hope they're here. The second is the boulevard. The other, you'll agree with me, for talent, because we saw talent in them, the fellowship, as leaders and as a people. The President has talked about climate change.